look at Biaggi's lead. He set the lap record, a new lap record for the 250 class on his second flying lap with 18 litres of fuel. That is impressive stuff. Streaking away, number one, as is denoted by the black number one, familiar, almost Art Deco number one on the front of his fairing. Look at Max Biaggi's lead. It's up to 6 seconds now. Five laps to go now. Biaggi is going to be getting 25 points. Biaggi, though, he's going to come across the line. He wins the race, miles ahead of everybody else. A storming performance, superlative stuff. Oh, a rolling stoppie. What